Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Entrepreneur TV Middle East. With me is the beautiful Yara El Abd. She is the head of IR at ValU. Absolute pleasure meeting you.
Same here,
And
Mina.
thank you for inviting us.
Thank you so much. I'm very excited about talking with you.
So tell me a little bit about ValU currently, your vision, how it all started, from your perspective.
So, ValU was launched with the vision of providing accessibility for Egyptians to purchase anything, anywhere, anytime, with instant approvals, which at the time was completely groundbreaking and still is to a very large extent. And throughout our journey, we've diversified our portfolio, we've penetrated new segments, but that's always at the core of what we do. Instant approvals, anywhere, anytime, for anything.
Right. That sounds great. You guys are absolutely revolutionizing the industry in Egypt itself as a whole. So tell me a little bit about the transparency, obviously, in the communications with your investors, since you are in charge of that investor section in the company. Tell me a little bit about that and how you guys enhance those communications and transparency.
So obviously we're very, very keen on always maintaining the highest levels of transparency. Where once we list, inshallah, very soon, we'll be issuing regular earnings releases that will let our investors know all our important financials, all our important milestones. But also we're very keen to communicate this with the general public as well. So we have simplified versions of that, which we use on our social media assets. Our customers were a very, very big part of our growth journey, and we want them to continue to do so by being partners or shareholders in ValU.
Okay. Great. So tell me a little bit, obviously, about your product strategy. It's extremely important to add value to the investors. So tell me a little bit about how you guys are strategizing that.
So we're consistently diversifying our product portfolio. We're trying to add value to our investors, but also to our customers and to the market as a whole. Last year especially was a very groundbreaking year. We ventured into completely new segments through bigger tickets. So now our customers are able to finance everything from $1 up to $1 million. We also launched our prepaid card last March, which
that's great.
yeah, it was huge. In 9 months, we did more than 1.26 million transactions.
No way.
Yeah.
In 9 months.
In 9 months. It was groundbreaking because it essentially transforms our offering from a closed loop offering, so our customers can use our product at merchants that accept ValU, into an open loop offering, which means you can use ValU anywhere that basically accepts Visa, who's our partner.
Okay, that's super cool. And looking into, let's say, the future, your vision, are you guys going to continue, building up on these current products? Is there something new that you would plan on be launching, apart from obviously going public? What are sort of the future visions that you have for the company in the next couple of years?
So I think we're going to continue doing what we do best, which is disrupting the market, providing cutting-edge financial services to everyone, everywhere. So that will include, obviously, expanding within our current market, which is Egypt. We also have plans to launch in additional markets very soon, starting with Jordan.
Okay.
We've come a long way. We've already submitted all the necessary paperwork needed to obtain a license.
And I feel like it's similar to the Egyptian market.
It's quite similar. It's a very interesting market. It's very innovative. They have a very conducive regulatory landscape, so we're very excited to be operating there.
Perfect. Yara, last question for you today. What sort of advice would you give to all those beautiful young women in finance like yourself?
Actually, I'm very proud that our executive committee is made up of 50% female. The chairperson of our board is female. Women have a lot of unique insights to offer and a lot of skills that they can bring to the table, and so we need more women in finance.
Yeah. Let's bring all those women into finance. Yara, absolute pleasure speaking to you today.
Here. Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
And have a good day.